Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to build a job periodically or schedule a job periodically. If you want to run a job in every 10 minutes, or if you want to run a job in every half an hour, or if you want to run a job every day once, then you have to just simply come to your job, and under build triggers there will be a parameter build periodically. You have to just select parameter build periodically and schedule it. Star, star, star. If you want to run it every, okay. So yeah, it would run at Sunday, 18 June, this at 2 o'clock. 2, and next one will be at 18 June 25. So it will run at every 5 minutes. Okay. So if you want to run it for like this, then it will run at every minute. It is going to run at every minute. And if you want like this. Okay, so this will be the meaning. You can schedule this according to, you have to just schedule the cron job according to your requirement. You have to select this bit periodically, then write the schedule accordingly. Okay, you can edit this accordingly, and then you have to just save, click on save, and then that's it. Okay, so if you want to build any job at particular schedule, or you want to schedule a job, you have to use this build periodically parameter under the bait triggers section. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Do subscribe our channel, do like our channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.